Thank you, Alex. You want to, oui, Monsieur le Chancelier.
Congratulations, but you was the first to speak about the population of America, so I am very interested. You can say some more about the origin. There are new news in this sense that you say, because of course there are people indirectly for 4,000 years, maybe they also go not only 8,000, 10,000, but because today I recently come from Peru, and near to Lima is a very interesting archaeological location that they say that there are signs of civilization, not only tools, but life and cities of 8,000 years ago. So.
Yes, but it's a very interesting problem, and what I heard from my Chilean colleagues, it's also they have a theory that penetration to South America was done alongside the coast of Pacific Ocean. And they just maybe use even some kind of floating boats or something like this, or maybe by land, they can reach quite quickly. Even such places like Terra del Fuego, the extreme south of South America. But also, maybe you know that it was late Paleolithic sites on the territory of South America. But many years, the results of these studies, they were not recognized by North American archaeologists. I hope that now maybe the situation starts to change a little bit. And this concentration of the humans, nearly 40,000 years ago on extreme northeast Siberia, with plain mainland to the north. So there is no any obstacles for them, just to move some hundreds, maybe 2,000 kilometers to the east to go to the North America.
Any question, Jean-Jacques?
About Alaska, I was a bit surprised you didn't mention the Bluefish cave dates that has been published recently in Yukon, around 25,000, and I mean that's rather well accepted. In fact, now
accepted by American Archaeological Society.
Well, accepted by I think most people. I think that the most well. I'm a rather conservative person, finally. I think the most conservative scenario that people have today is that there is an early penetration in Alaska of humans soon after the Yana River site, let's say between 30,000 to 25,000. Then the story for the south of the glacier of the covering Canada, that's another story that many people would argue that it's not older than 15,000, something like that. But for Alaska, I think now there is a rather consensus, such a consensus about these early dates. It's a recent publication, I think, in scientific reports, so I think, yeah.
Well, I would like to, well, one question also. I would like to understand the most ancient Siberian site with some hominid remains or marks or whatever. Is it Montovaya, Mamontovaya something?
Kuria?
Yeah.
Yes, but there is no, it's some artifacts,
right.
Cultural layers, but no remains of humans.
Yeah, but if you have artifacts, it's enough.
Yes.
For me, it's enough, thank you. But I mean that I was thinking, I was, well, remembering some sites around 40,000, 45,000 years old in Siberia with indirect marks of man.
Yes, it's south of Siberia.
South,
The region of Baikal Lake, of Sayany Altai Mountains, they have such sites, yes.
yeah. Yana River is the oldest for the moment, or?
For the north, for the Arctic zone, for the northeastern Siberia, this is now oldest, 28,000 years ago. And this is a excellent, it's not only one site, it's a complex of sites, so unique place. Yeah.
And the place where we were together, in the region of what is this?
Taimyr.
Yeah.
Taimyr
Was it under ice at some times or never or not?
But
because Siberia was not glacier.
Yes, but on Taimyr Peninsula, we have only sites Neolithic and Mesolithic time.
Aye.
And it's very interesting that we don't know, there is no any remains of woolly rhino for this giant territory. What's the reason? We don't know, yes. Because to the west, to the east, it's plenty of remains, but this place was isolated.
Any question? João.
I remember we were talking some time ago, I don't know when, that your dream would be to find near to a mammoth in Siberia, prehistoric man. What do you think about that?
Now with our sponsors, we already 3 years declared an award, $1 million American for the complete body of Paleolithic man. But until now, we have no even one bone. For the whole territory, we have 2 deciduous teeth from babies on Yana side, and 1 phalanx, human phalanx from Zhokhov side, but it's already not Paleolithic time, it's Mesolithic time. That's all. You can imagine the tons and tons of bones. We exported 60, 70 tons only on mammoth ivory each year to China.
Yeah.
Hundreds remains of top predators like cave lions. No even small piece of human bones. And it's very strange because you can imagine that on the north, treeless zone, so they cannot burn the body corpse of dead humans. They cannot put them to the ground because it's a permafrost. So what do they do with them? I don't know, but no remains at all. We have small voles, lemmings, tiny, fragile bones of ptarmigan. No humans. So unbelievable.
Any question? To our colleague who is coming from the north, le Grand Nord, Jean-Jacques.
So one more question. I was a bit surprised you showed pictures of the Sungir burials with the title saying they are Neolithic burials. The Sungir burials. Sungir. One of your slides was a slide of the double burial of Sungir. It's an earlier Proterozoic burial. And there was a title above saying Neolithic burials.
Maybe it's a mistake.
Huh?
Maybe it's a mistake.
Okay.
Because I took these slides from our publication. When it was prepared, the slides later we checked again and removed it.
Any question? Well, thank you, Alexei. Thank you very much.